Are you finally done running your stupid mouth? I just say take my advice and stop talking shit about me and my sister. Jerk.
Finn, please.
Let go.
What are you doing?
When?
Excuse us, please. Finn, we have to go, please. Did you have to get so rough on him?
Please, it was nothing. The more blood, the better. For the crowd.
Well, I know someone's not gonna be happy about this.
Do you mean Dad? Please, Gwen. I've got better things to worry about than Dad.
Well, you should be. Not just him, either. You know how listener gets when you get into fights.
I know. But I can't help it. He deserved it.
Well, good luck explaining that to listener, not me. I told you to stop getting into fights. Even if he did say something about our situation. You don't have to fight everything to get your feelings out.
I'll try.
Well, I gotta go to my study session with Ernesto. So, I'll see you at home, Vinny.
Oh, hello, sir. I didn't see you coming up. Sorry. My knuckles. It's nothing. Let's just go. I said it's nothing. Please, come on. Let's. Yes, I know how you feel about fights. You don't want me in them. I get it. But just please hear me out. It was a good reason. Listener, please. I don't want to talk about it right now. Can we please just go home? Okay, fine. Maybe I don't have a good reason. But I think I have every right to be angry. Okay? Everybody treats my situation as some sort of joke or a prize that I want for killing the grabber. But I don't see it as a trophy. I just want to get rid of the feeling completely. Listen. So, I understand if you're mad, but I can't hide the fact that I can't get rid of that, no matter what I do. Anything doesn't help. I'm undeniably forever gonna live with that trauma. So I'm sorry if you're mad at me. But I have my reasons. So please understand that I can't really control it. I'm sorry if I sound mean and all that stuff, but it's just a small fight. And I don't want you to get worried about just a couple scratches. Please. He was the one that really needs the help. Did you see his face? I know. They'll get infected. I've treated wounds before. I'll go and wash them up myself. Why did you pull me down? No, listener, please. I don't need hospitality. I'm very much capable of doing it myself. I've done it multiple times. You've seen me. You've seen me win. And I would patch up Robin's wounds because he kept getting into fights with Moose. Yeah, he had a lot of them. So I can very much do it myself, listener. Well, you know what? Fine. I can't really argue on this. I'm too tired. So if you want to patch me up, go ahead. But I'm warning you, this is the only time you're gonna bandage me up. If I get into another fight, I will do it myself. How was my day? Okay. Till like kid said something, I guess. But other than that, I'm fine. Do you need any help with any subjects or any of that? I can always help. You need help with math? I can help with that. But, I'm probably not gonna be that good. I'm not that good as I was before, so... But... I would like to think that I'm still somewhat good, so... But I was wondering, after you finish up, do you want to go to my house? Just to hang out. We haven't done it in a while. Yeah, do you want to go to the Grab and Go and get some snacks before we go? I was wondering if we could just watch a horror movie. Yeah, you can stay the night. I'll pay for the snacks. It's the least I can do for dragging you into my mess and all that stuff. No, listener, please, don't worry about it. Oh, you're done? Do you want to go right now? Yeah, of course. Come on, let's go. Alright, you can pick out the snacks. I'm not that picky, so... Yeah, of course. I'll wait here by the register. Oh, you're back. Okay, come on.
Good morning.
Oh, hi.
How was your day, sir?
It was fine, I guess. Can you ring me up, please? Just these.
Of course. Hey, you look familiar, like I've seen you before.
Well, I have been in here a couple times, so...
Well, not just that. You look familiar from, like, the past. Oh, you're Finney Blake. The guy who killed the grabber. It really is you. I've seen you all over the place.
Can you ring me up, please?
That was really cool of you, you know. Nobody's ever that brave to do that. Did you feel scared, or did you feel more happy?
Shut up.
Others.
Shut up.
It's
Shut up.
really cool thing.
Shut up. Shut up! Please, can you just ring me up, please? I'm trying to leave. And I don't want you talking about that. Please, can you be any more arrogant?
I'm sorry. I'll ring you up.
And just so you know, it's not a trophy. And I'm not expecting praise from it. It's not something to be won. I didn't expect to win it. I never wanted to win it. So please, don't praise me for something I didn't want to do.
I'm sorry, sir.
Let's go, listener. Listen, I'm sorry, listener. It's just that I just hate when people talk about that. Like it's some sort of cool thing. And it's not. I don't want people knowing me for that. The kid who killed the grabber. I never wanted to be known. I wanted to be private. But in this small town, nothing's ever private. I'm sorry. My outbursts, they really get out of me. I'm sorry. It's always like that, but I didn't want you to see it. Let's just go to my house. You got the snacks, right? Okay. Come on. We finally made it. Do you want to watch the movie upstairs or in the living room? Upstairs. Okay, come on. It feels nice to be at home, finally. You can pick up the movie if you want. Yeah, of course. I'm just gonna go change. If you want, you can borrow one of my shirts. I don't really mind. Yeah, of course. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna go change in the bathroom. Yeah. Let me know what movie you pick. Okay, I'm back. Sorry if I took a little long. Never mind. Did you pick out a movie? A horror movie? Yeah, I'm fine with that. Yeah, what horror movie did you pick? That one? That one's a classic. You can never go wrong with that. It's nothing. It's funny because that was the one me and Robin wanted to watch. Yeah. He insisted I would watch that. He was a big fan of horror movies. Yeah. But I never watched it. I was too scared. I don't like horror movies. He called me a wuss because of it. I can't blame him. But, yeah, after all that, I started to watch it. I just started to think that horror movies aren't that bad after all. Yeah. Yeah, you can go put the CD in there. Do you want to get closer or... Yeah, of course. Come on. You know, you're pretty warm compared to me. Kind of cold. Sorry about that. You don't mind? Hey, again, sorry for dragging you into this. To me, I don't want you to ever see me fight or what happened at the grab and go. I don't want you to see that side of me anymore. I'm sorry. I don't mean to be mean to people, but I just can't help it. All this pent-up anger just makes me so frustrated, and I just take it out on people. But I want you to know that I'll never take it out on you. You're the last person I want to take it out. And Gwen, because she's been through a lot too. And with me getting into fights, it only makes her more worried for me. And I don't want either of you getting worried. I want you to think about other things besides me worrying if Fanny's gonna get into another fight. That new kid had a lot of nerve. He barely joined the school and already made a joke about me. He deserved it. But thanks for, patching me up and all that stuff. I'm grateful that you volunteered to patch me up, even if I don't ask. It's really nice of you. And I'm sorry for trying to push you away. I don't mean to. I just don't want you to get worried about me. That's all. I'm pretty tired. I think all this events that happened today just made me really tired. Especially that fight. He did get a couple hits on me, I will say that, but not enough. Again, I'm sorry that my anger gets the better of me. I'm sorry for that. I don't mean to. But you're here now. And I might sound pretty corny, but I feel like when I'm with you, I feel more at ease. Like I don't need to tense up. Like I don't need to be on the lookout for anything. I feel like I let my guard down when I'm around you. And I kind of like it. But I'm gonna go to bed. Damn. I'll see you in the morning. Yeah. Okay. Good night, listener.